A recovering heroin addict was mopping floors at a bank when he noticed something impossible on his phone. His account showed $2.3 million. A computer glitch had made him rich overnight. He was 6 months clean, living in a halfway house and drowning in child support debt. This money could fix everything, and no one would ever know. He didn't sleep that night. The temptation was crushing. The next morning, he walked into the bank president's office and reported the error. The president was stunned. Here was a man at his lowest point, doing the right thing when it would have been so easy not to. He offered him teller training on the spot. The story made local news. His ex-wife saw it and agreed to supervise visits with their daughter. 2 years later, he's assistant branch manager with his own apartment. His daughter brings friends to see where daddy works. He could have stolen millions and stayed broke inside. Instead, he chose integrity and became truly wealthy. One honest moment changed everything.